got gold bricks, slug up your whole clique. B.U.B. and cash spitting that dope shit. Seattle gold grills tighter than roast clips. Send you a mo kit, send you a mo kit. I got gold bricks, slug up your whole clique.
Are you a yellow gold or are you a white gold fan? I did this in my live last week, man. It got the most reactions, most comments on this subject. It's a very good subject, especially when you're talking about diamond grills. The top one, you're looking at a 10-piece. Bottom one, you're looking at an 8-piece. Both of them fully flooded. You can see we don't use any garbage stones. That means we call it spit. That means all white. Looks like clouds. So yeah, this is yellow gold on the bottom. Top, sorry. Yellow gold on the top, white gold on the bottom. Feel free to please jump in the comments. Let me know. Let your boy know. I would love to hear your feedback. We can also go rose gold too. I still have yet to see anybody do a bust down rose gold. I was mentioning that also in my live last week. If you guys want to check the live, just be on the lookout later on, man. Turn on them notifications on my page so you guys can catch when I go live. I really appreciate you guys for tapping in and for commenting when I'm live. Also for the people who let me know where they're stationed at. What city, state, area code, country, whatever. Lets me put a name behind a face and a location behind the name. I appreciate you guys for tapping in always, for supporting Fred the Jeweler. We are steady striving to be better, steady striving to improve. So I hope you guys can appreciate that, and I want to let you guys know we appreciate you. So please stay tapping in, and like I said, hit the notification bell on that live so you guys know when I go live. We're going to try and get the lives a little bit more lit and ramped up. Appreciate everybody for the love and support, especially my client down here for being so patient. I just had to tell him he's probably one of our best patients we've dealt with in the last couple years. Super cool. Understands business. You know, people like him generally understand business, but you guys do too. So we appreciate you. So that's where they normally do when they do the grills. Look at that, man. Whew. I do my grills zoomed in so you can see them good old diamonds, y'all. Once again, everybody, much love for the check-ins. Hope you guys having a blessed week. I look forward to working with you guys again. If I've worked with you before, I look forward to working with you again. That's what I meant to say. If I haven't worked with you before, look forward to working with you. You guys stay safe. Fred the Jeweler, peace out. Stay positive, stay blessed, y'all.